Hey guys, this is Arpit Verma and you're watching Arpit Verma Tech YouTube channel. Xiaomi has launched its first 5G MI 10 Youth Edition phone at a crazy price that you won't believe. We'll reveal its price at the end of this video. In this video, we would be talking about its specs and information. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So starting with the design, we have glass back with quad camera setup and MI branding at the back, which looks premium. At the front, we have a massive Full HD Plus 6.57 inches Super AMOLED display by Samsung, and as we all know, Samsung produces good quality Super AMOLED screen. Now moving on to the camera, the front camera inside a small U-shaped notch is of 16 megapixel, and at the back we have quad camera setup. Talking about the quad camera setup, the primary camera is of 48 megapixel, second one is for wide angle, third one is for macro, and the fourth one makes this a special phone, which is a 50x telephoto zoom lens. Moving on to the battery, this smartphone comes with a massive battery of 4160 mAh. Now, moving on to the performance, these smartphones come with the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G, which supports 5G with Android 10 OS. This smartphone has got three variants. The first variant is 6GB RAM and 64GB ROM. The second variant is 6128 and the third variant is 8GB RAM with 256GB ROM. Now, the smartphone price is shocking. Besides its 5G, the base variant that is 664 is priced around 20,000. The 6128 is priced at 22,000 and the 8GB RAM and 256GB ROM is priced at 28,000. So I think it's wonderful. What are your opinion about this phone? Don't forget to comment down below. I think it's a great phone in my opinion and you should definitely buy it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss a notification. And also like this video if you liked it. Thank you for watching.